All right, dinner time. Today I'm gonna be making some plantain and some nice sauce with it. Yeah, let's get this shit done, shall we?
You know it hurt when they suffer in silence. Legend says she ended her rap career since she had to sit down and reflect. I'm still waiting on her album to drop. What happened, Lil Zo? She's so pretty. Her ancestors said, Ale Chita, T-Far, amongst the legends. Nah, don't stop now talking shit. Lil lady, you don't know me, you don't me. You don't know me, you never know me. You never. What happened? Nothing. Never, no.
Is 2 plantain gonna be enough? So I got these little potatoes and stuff, and I think it's gonna be perfect for. Obviously, I'm not gonna do all of it. Probably do like half of it or a quarter or something like that. So once I get this done, just do like a few of them, and then after that, so tomorrow I don't have to cook. All I have to do is just like warm up whatever I need to warm up, and then boom, I'm all set. You know, just save me some time and energy, so I don't have to cook every day. Yeah.
Po prostu sexy, moi sercu sexy. Po prostu sexy, moi sercu. Mogę zostać twoja białą czekoladką. Czarna czekolada z białą idealnie do siebie pasują, ale masz branie
Pierdol.
I dobrze, cieszę się, jesteś przemiły i masz poczucie humoru. My w Polsce lubimy czekoladki, ciemna czekoladka z domieszką białej czekolady. Pyszna. Hello handsome, mój sercu, ty już jesteś na szalony. Tylko trochę te oczy, te usta, po prostu sexy, mój sercu. Te oczy, te usta, po prostu sexy, mój sercu. Mogę zostać twoja białą czekoladką. Ja tam poczułam, jak mi diabeł w duszę zajrzał. Sprawdziłam, czy nie zrobiłam literówki. Anielskie oczy, tylko skrzydeł ci brakuje. Dobre, przewracasz oczami jak rasowa kobieta. Chyba większość polskich kobiet liczy na to, że plotki okażą się prawdziwe. Potrzebuję takiego pozytywnego man w swoim życiu, jak jesteś singlem, to dziś już nim nie jesteś. Jesteś mój. Po prostu sexy, Olisetu. Te oczy, te usta, po prostu sexy, Olisetu. Oczy kosy, boś na raz, ale bo to kosy sexy, moi serku.
Te oczy, te usta, po prostu sexy. Alright. So, thank you for coming through. And yes, I had fun cooking this all, and it was freaking delicious. See, that's what I'm talking about. You just sit in your truck, you buy the ingredient, you know what's gonna go through your stomach, and you cook something very delicious. Mwah! So, once again, thank you for coming through, and I appreciate it. You know the website, you know the blog, thehublife.com, and yes, you should definitely check it out so you know what it is. I'm your host, The Haitian. So, welcome to my channel, The Hub Life. So, share, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.
Apples, broad shoulders, narrow hips, large feet. They're just clocking you, dude. They definitely aren't staring at him for the reason he thinks. Imagine being this delusional. I can't. Has he never been to a zoo?